Yo, what's up? It's Coach Nick Money, and in this episode, we're going to talk about an upcoming IPO that's scheduled to go live either August 29th, 2022 or August 29th to August 30th, 2022. The name of the company is Hempacco, Hempacco, like Paco Company, Inc. Ticker symbol is going to be HPCO. And the company, as you can tell from the name, has to do with the sales of hemp-based products, specifically hemp-based cigarettes and other related items. And let's dig right into this right now. But before we do that, let me explain what an IPO is. It stands for an initial public offering. For those who don't know what an initial public offering is, it's a way for a private company to become a publicly traded company on a public exchange such as NASDAQ or New York Stock Exchange, or any of those type of exchanges, the American Stock Exchange, et cetera, et cetera. So back to Hempacco. It's a San Diego-based company, and it is related to an OTC company called GGII, and that company, GGII, has had a history within the past year or two of spiking up to a high of 1 penny in value, and then coming crashing down just as hard as it ran up. And that was about a year and a half, 2 years ago. That's GGII. I believe GGII may actually be the parent company of HPCO. But anyway, let's get back into the conversation. Last week, related company GGII ran up on a sympathy play and went up 300% in anticipation of Hempacco Company Inc. going public. The stock ticker symbol again, HPCO, and again, August 29th or August 30th is when we anticipate this particular company going public. Ticker symbol HPCO, Hempacco Company Inc. Doubles. Yes. What do you think about that?
Hey, I think it's good.
That's what's up. Okay, so anyway, here's a little bit of facts about the HPCO IPO. They're only offering 1 million shares. They're looking to raise a total of $6 million, and the IPO price is $6 a share. So they're looking to raise $6 million, which is a pretty small raise that they're looking to do, which sounds pretty good to me. Again, it's a hemp, cigarette, and related products sector business. They are tobacco and nicotine-free alternative product lines. So basically hemp cigarettes and related products of that nature. One of the major product lines is the Real Stuff hemp smokables. That's one of their brands. They also offer private labeling, which for people who don't know what private labeling is, it means that you can basically take their product, put your branding on it, and sell it as if it's your branding, but they're providing you with the product. And they also offer licensing, which means it's their product, you're using their name, and they're giving you a license to sell their product. In addition to that, of course, they sell their own products as well, and they actually have doubles over 200 locations throughout the San Diego area, where in fact they do sell their brand line of hemp cigarettes and hemp related products. Okay, so that's a little bit about the company. In addition to that, it has been promoted by the famous rapper Rick Ross. Diced pineapple, doubles, diced pineapple, yes, no, right? That's yes. Rick Ross, right? Yes. Okay. They have 600 hemp-based vending machines that they're also operating, lots of machines like that. But here's the thing, their financials are not the best, and despite bad financials, because of the nature of the hemp product line and the fact that their underwriter has had successful IPOs within the past 2 years, I could see HPCO potentially popping, at least briefly. I don't know if it's going to be sustained. Remember, this is not a Chinese-based IPO, which seems to be the flavor of the day, so I don't know how far this company goes. Now, that being said, people, I am not a financial advisor. This show is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not telling you to buy it. I'm not telling you to sell it. I'm not telling you what price to get into. I'm not telling you what price to get out of. So please, be very careful. IPOs are very dangerous if you do not know what you're doing, and if you need to hire an expert to help you through your trading, do that, okay? Be careful. I'm not telling you what to do. This is strictly for entertainment purposes. If you listen to this and you make moves based on this, you're doing it at your own risk, because I'm telling you, don't do that. We're not pros. Okay, let's go through a little bit more of the information. Like I said, despite the financials of the company not being terrific, I still think that the product line has a possibility of popping because of their underwriter. Their underwriter is Bousted Securities, and in the past 2 years they've had successful IPOs. So I suspect that we might see a little bit of a pop simply because of the product line that's involved and the fact that they're using the particular underwriter that they're using. Does it sustain the price? I don't know. I don't know if this goes up. I don't know if it goes down. But quite frankly, its parent company, GGII, has the history of going way up and then crashing. So that's always a concern for me. I did pre-order some shares of HPCO. Let's see if I get filled. I suspect I will. Unlike other stocks, Chinese stocks that were hard to get filled because there was such a great demand, I don't think that there's going to necessarily be such a great demand on this particular IPO. But again, I'm not a stock professional and I'm not giving you advice. I'm just telling you what I think and what I'm looking at. Okay, so that being said, I'm looking to see if I can get a quick hit on it and move forward with it. That's basically it, okay? Could this GPCO, could it actually run up high and keep going? Possible. Can it completely crash and burn? Possible. Could it go up and then down? Possible. Can it go down and then up? Possible. Bottom line, it's IPOing on August 30th or August 29th, and the ticker symbol is HPCO. And that's it, peeps. I'm out of here, and we're going to show you some nature in Florida. Peace out. Enjoy the view.